Okay, YouTubers, here is a Marv air unit. Took out the compressor on a heat pump. Compressor was drawing a lock rotor amperage, which was about 100 and something, 130 or something like that. It had a hard start kit on it with the capacitor, but it obviously capacitor was good, and the starter was or the how am I saying, the kickstart wasn't the problem either. This has a little insert crankcase heater there. Right here the power is 208. That's a single phase compressor. Here's the job. I wanted to unsweat this part here because I didn't want to get too crazy if the other one's exactly the same, which it should be. And I did have to cut it here though. I think I can go ahead and just maybe took off the piece that was on it. There it is. I'll probably just swage that and put it back together. Try to take the fan out, but these fans have screws up on top there. They're internal, so you have to take off that screen there, and yeah, it's not possible. Now here's something else I gotta take out. That doesn't look too great either, around all those wires and where it's at, but it's doable. And let's see, here's something you really don't see. Let me stand back so you can get a good view at it. Back-to-back AC units. They had to put that box there made out of sheet metal so that the units won't throw heat at each other directly. You don't see that too much. Marv air units, got all the electrical open there, just in case you guys haven't ever seen any. Give you somewhat of a good shot there. And that's about it. Alright guys, I'll make another video when the compressor's in. Thanks for watching.